Welcome to Inkfluence of Art celebration of the fall season. Today we will experience some of the fall events in Mexico. Right after Hallows Eve, Mexico celebrates the Day of the Dead, a feast of favorites for past relatives and friends. Spirit and fall spiritual celebrations. Celebrate Dia de Muertos, Day of the Dead, Dinner of the Dead. Observed each year on November 1st and 2nd, the Day of the Dead combines elements of a harvest festival, mystical beliefs of the Mexican pre-Colombian natives, and Roman Catholic views and motifs brought by the Spanish colonizers. Fruits and crops of the season often have multiple meanings when eaten at this time, or when placed on the altars prepared by each family to welcome the spirits of their beloved deceased. There are different celebrations based on family and community traditions. Here is a sample meal to make. Since chilies is the first known food to be consumed by Mexican people, choosing a recipe with chilies, because it's an origin food, this means more ancestors would have eaten this food. This is what brings them back. You could do this for your ancestors from other cultures, but the majority of people from other culture may not understand this cultural experience. Although there are other cultures that set plates out for the dead at events to encourage them to join families at dinners, Ukraine, Jewish and Catholic/Christian cultures to name a few. But the idea is to make food that your ancestors will remember most. Their favorite meals. Try this meal to join the Mexican cultural feast and celebration called Day of the Dead. Traditional coffee, café de olla. Tamales. Filling. 1 1/4 pounds pork loin. 1 large onion, halved. 1 clove garlic. Chili sauce. 4 dried chili peppers. 2 cups water. 1 1/2 teaspoons salt. Husks and dough. 1 8-ounce packaged dried corn husks. 2/3 cup lard. 1 10.5 ounce can beef broth, or as needed. 2 cups mozzarella. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup sour cream. Directions. These tamales consist of a seasoned pork filling in a mozzarella dough wrapped in dried corn husks. The finished tamales are topped with a homemade chili sauce. All in all, these tamales take about 3 hours and 30 minutes to make. Reserve about 30 minutes for prep, 2 hours for cooking the pork, and 1 hour for steaming. Discard the corn husks. Tres leches cake. I had this with my friend one year. 3 milk cake, so good, melt in your mouth. This would bring me back yum. 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 cup unsalted butter. 1 cup white sugar. 5 eggs. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 cups whole milk. 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk. 1 12 fluid ounce can evaporated milk. 1 1/2 cups heavy whipping cream. 1 cup white sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix cake ingredients and bake. Poke holes on the cake. Pour condensed and evaporated milk on top of the cake and let it soak in. Then cover the top with whipped cream and keep refrigerated until served. Enjoy your day and celebrations. It's a celebration of life and memories of family, friends, and food. Thanks for joining us. We hope you're having great fall experiences.